What's up, everybody? Kind of had to cut the video short earlier, but yeah, wasn't by choice. The family came back and had to kind of do the daddy duties and responsibility and everything. But however, I'll be getting back to the reviews and everything here just in a bit. Like I said, shot a few more. They didn't last long. Had to make room. Didn't have it on the device, and it ran out. So as far as that goes, trying to recoup, revamp, I guess is the proper term. But anyhow, I figured I would come there, and I like nature, so I'm kind of letting you see a little bit of what I get to enjoy every day. It's kind of nice, kind of nice. And as I said per earlier, the loud noises and stuff is what you hear. There's a racetrack, and you can see the lights. Yep, that is an actual. It's an actual drag strip. No joke. It's you know Kentucky State drag strip raceway. You hear that? Yep, that'd be the announcer guy. He's announcing. So, any rate, I wasn't making it up. Those noises in the background of any and all videos that I make, they will most definitely have that, and that's what that is. You hear the loud revving of engines and stuff. It's pro stuff over there. No joke. But anyway, I greatly appreciate you tuning in and watching. I know the shakiness on the videos. I know that it's not great. It probably makes it hard to watch a good portion of the time. But however, I'm going to work on that. Like I said, I don't have a whole lot to work with right now, and I'll get some better as I go. As I go, I'll get some better items. Destabilizers, whatever. Anything that I can get to help and reduce the shakiness, because well, I know that it gets annoying. Yeah, it can get annoying, and it won't take much of it. But anyway, I sure do. Yeah, there you can see me. Also, look at my custom Bull City hat. You like that? One of a kind right now. Because, well, like I said, he sent me some stickers. I didn't have it on earlier because I don't really wear a hat indoor, and so therefore I didn't have it on my head. But everybody can check that out. Oh yeah, Bull City Flavors. That's who to see about all your DIY needs as far as e-juice. Said they got the pipettes. They've got the glass bottles. PGVG. Supposedly it's really clean. I cannot say anything on that yet, due to the fact that I don't. I can't vouch. Like I said, yeah, my initials are JTH, and that's what it stands for. Just that honest, because that's what I will be on this review channel. I will be honest no matter what. I'm sure I'm going to step on toes and hurt some feelings. That's a given. But however, I feel as us as a buyer of products, we're entitled to that. And I know there's a lot of people out there, a lot of reviewers that feel the same way I do, but there's a handful that don't. There are some out there that they will do the product placement and everything. That and keep in mind, I'm getting paid nothing. I'm getting paid nothing for any of this. I'm not getting paid any money whatsoever to say anything, because, like I said, it is my opinion. I'm expressing my opinion, and that's it. It's my opinion. That's just all I can say. So, however, I use Bulk Apothecary for my PG and VG, and those of you that are DIY people, if you make your soap, I mean, there's a lot of stuff that you can do with bulk apothecary as well. You can do soap, you can do potpourri, you can make your bath bombs, you can make lotions, you can make shampoo. I really don't know. I mean, it's basically unlimited as far as what you can mix and match and what you can do with what they sell. Their products they sell are in that line. I mean, you can get anything from lavender. Like I said the other day, they sent me a newsletter. I don't make my own soap and stuff right now. It's possible in the future, like everything else. But they had lavender, the product component that goes in it, 20 or 30% off, and they've already got pretty much the cheapest prices that you will find on stuff of that nature. So you're getting it at a great deal. So with that being said, I use Oil City flavors for all my DIY e-juice needs, and I use bulk apothecary for the PG and VG and any other essential oils and needs in that nature. And nature's I can't think of it right now. I really can't. I will. I'll try to get that, but link, description, all that's going to be there, so you can check that out. And like I said in the other video, in case you didn't watch, I if you want more off, money, save money. Who don't like to save money? Everybody likes to save money, especially today's times. Everybody needs to save some money. Who want money back in their pocket? We all do. And hit me up, message me on here. If not, you can catch me on Facebook. I'll try to have all that stuff in the links and the description, and I will do my best to save you money. If you get at least over $25, you will only end up paying $15. So, but I have to. You gotta go through me. Okay, you gotta go through me as far as that goes to get that deal. Now, you get other deals and stuff. Just sign up for the newsletter. But if I can tell them, like, hey, this person is coming through me and they want the $15 deal for 25 pay actually 15, then so be it. Yeah, I know lighting's getting worse and worse, and I do not have any fancy high-tech gadgets. There we go. Now, there we are. Yep, that periodic spinning is a fan. They just turned the lights on, but that's what my kids is doing. Anyways, everyone have a good evening or good morning, good night, whatever it is in your time zone. And like I said, educate and advocate as far as vaping goes, but not just there. So let's be good to each other. Let's not be hateful. Let's don't be mean. Let's it's a community, and that's what it needs to be. Everyone needs to feel welcomed, whether they're in it for a long time, or if you're just getting into it, or if you're thinking about doing it. So ask, and if someone asks you, give them your knowledge. Knowledge is power, and with power we can do big things. So whether you vape or not, you should have the right to choose. If they take that away, what's next, people? What will they take away next? So this is JTH Reviews, and you all have a good night. Thanks for tuning in, and I really do appreciate it. I truly appreciate it. Hopefully we can get this thing up and running, and we'll get there. We'll get there in time. I don't expect anything to happen overnight, and it's going to take some hard work, dedication, and more editing. So with that being said, have a good one, everybody. And I'll put up some more links in the description and videos. More videos will be coming. Like I said on the other videos, products. I'll probably be putting out about I mean, just rough estimate, at least 10 to 10 to about 15 videos just on the products that I have, what I've used, and my honest opinion on it. Now, that's just the way I'm going to do it, and hope you enjoy. So, have a good one.